If you can draw a circle, you can paint a tree. Let me show how. Let's learn paint trees with simple way using simple shapes, light, color and depth. Here is our roadmap. Draw a circle with trunk, lemon yellow, wet on dry, then drop sap green when it's wet on wet, and start adding the values towards the right hand side. Make the trunk and add 4 to 5 tonal values to show this much depth in the tree. I am making sunlight coming from the left hand side directions. Now let's start. Make a circle with the trunk. I am not actually drawing the circle here. I am simply imagining the circle when I am painting. If you want, you can lightly sketch the circle. So start with very watery tea consistency of lemon yellow color and just drop it in and leave some white gaps in between. I am not completely making the whole circle yellow, but leave some white spaces. Then with the deep yellow color, just drop it in. You can use cadmium yellow, Indian yellow, or any warmer or deeper yellow. And again I am leaving some white space in between, and left hand side, because the sun is coming from that side, I will intentionally keep that side light. When it's wet, drop the sap green, and if you feel the sap green comes and covering the light, and then just you can add more yellow color. Now I am making trunk with the yellow ochre. A common beginner mistake is making trunk too wide and heavy. I am making trunk fairly thin and very small and giving little ground so it look that tree is standing on the ground. I am adding burnt sienna on some places to add. This is the second tonal value in the trunk. So I already added 3 tonal value in the tree, white space, then tea and coffee consistency, 2 to 3 colors and 2 to 3 tonal values. Now with the purlin green, I am dropping on some random spaces, but left hand side I am keeping light and bright and dropping mostly on the right hand side and at the bottom above the trunk, bottom part of the tree above the trunk. Now I am making the third tonal value in the trunk with the burnt umber, and immediately I will give the edges and at some places with sepia, darker brown. So make your trunk thin but give the all the tonal value, and the first tonal value burnt sienna and yellow ochre are still showing. Now I mixed purlin green with little bit indigo and little bit burnt sienna, like very creamy consistency or buttery consistency, and dropping just at the bottom of the tree and on the right side of the tree. This will look like the tree is fuller, richer, and the canopy will look more heavier. So this is summerish tree, like a mature tree. I am keeping still the right hand side, left hand side is still light. If you feel the color went too deep on the left hand side, you can just with the damp brush lift some area to show highlights. So we are almost done here. Now take the script liner and make the final details or branches very thin, which is coming out of the tree. The paper I used Archie's 100% cotton paper, and the brush I used number 4 round brush or number 6 round brush. You can use any one of those. And if you enjoyed painting with me, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe AAA Watercolor for more beginner friendly watercolor tutorials. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be happy to reply. And please share this content or tutorial with the another artist or watercolor beginner. Thank you very much painting with me.